This exercise is called the bird dog level 3. So you're going to start in the position where your hands and knees are both on the ground. And then what you're going to do is find that position where your back is nice and flat, your core is engaged, and then you're going to reach forward with your right hand and then back with your left leg, maintaining that same position with your back. And then you'll alternate towards the other side next. All the while pretending there's a cup, pretending there's a stick, something on your back you're trying not to let move.